sitting there in your tree. And I'm swimming around underneath. And you know what I want, some monkey meat. It's nothing gross, I just like to eat. So if you let your tail down into my water, I would give a little nibble just to doctors. Mr. Piranha, I think this is a very bad idea. You see, I like my tail, it helps me swing around on limb to limb. And if you eat my tail, I will not have a prehensile tail. It will be developed into a useless thing as you like chewing. So Mr. Piranha, I can't give you my tail. Mr. Piranha, I can give you my heart. A monkey heart is always something that I wanted to chomp. So soft and delectable, like a prune in a swamp. If only a monkey so brave and dedicated, who could rip their heart out of their chest and let it roll to me. Mr. Piranha, I can't give you my tail. No, 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 no. Mr. Piranha, I can give you my heart, but not like the actual physical heart. What I can give you is that metaphorical heart that is in my art center, where I love everything from. It doesn't have anything to do with the physical thing that is inside my chest. No, it is actually just something of how I act and treat the rest of humankind. So if you want to kiss me, that is fine. And if you want to make love, that's fine. But I cannot give you my tail, no. I cannot let you eat my physical heart, no. What do you say, Piranha? Can I come down there and you give me a kiss? You lost me at metaphor. What does that mean, monkey? Well, let me just say, Mr. Piranha, I cannot give you my tail, no, no. Mr. Piranha, I'll just give you my metaphorical heart. Mr. Monkey, I'm still hungry. I don't know what you think a first date looks like, but it involves a couple bites and Okay, I've thought it over, piranha. I have this weird left thumb. It doesn't really work well, so I'll let you eat that. How about that? Here you go. I put it in the water. Oh, no! Well, that's how a monkey and a piranha make love.